We are Erwin and Raya Zelcer, and we live in Culver City, California. Our bathroom was in dire need of remodeling. The shower was leaking and we had some walls that were kind of moldy. The meeting with May was very good. The response was very quick and we got off on a very good footing.
May and Danielle were very professional. They were right up front and seemed to really know what they were doing, and we thought, hey, let's go with them.
The job was done excellently, on time, very organized, and very informative on a day-to-day basis. The office was important in helping also. A lady there named Rachel was very helpful on a daily basis also.
And the job site was always left very clean. It was so nice, almost daily we got emails telling us what was going to happen the next day, which really helped to prepare what we needed to do and if we needed to be available, and it was very organized, well organized.
The new bathroom is a wonderful feeling. In fact, I've named the shower Divine.
Because it's a divine experience going into the bathroom. It's so well done and professional, and it looks like a spa in a fancy hotel.
We would recommend the high-tech builders, definitely.
We already have recommended high-tech builders to friends.
I would like to say thank you to May and Danielle for taking such good care of us.
Yes, they did a great job. We're very proud and happy to have our bathroom complete.